Hello friends, today we are going to make a 90-degree pop-up card, a second type. This is based on the idea of a rectangle and a parallelogram. If you take a rectangle and we squash it, it becomes into a parallelogram. So, if we take that black edge and we align it to the center or midline and we squash it, the midline will pass through there. So we'll make the midline first. Do not fold the card. Find the central line, so that's 19 centimeters. Half of it will be 9.5 centimeters, 9.5 centimeters, and we draw a line across. That's the midline. So we align that part out there. So we have gone about 2 centimeters below the line. 2 centimeters. So from that point to that point is 2 centimeters. That will be the base, that's the height, and that is the extra part added on. So let's see how it looks when we fold. It will be something like this. So let's draw. We will make a line 2 centimeter below the midline. That's 2 centimeter. That's 2 centimeter. Join that. Then we will take about 5 centimeter on this line. That's a 5 centimeter height from the base. Now we will add on that extra 2 centimeters on top. That extra bit is added. Let's say we are making a candle. So we will draw out there. That part we will cut. So we will cut the straight line coming down. The straight line coming down. Imagine the rectangle. We will cut the flame. Don't cut the flame out fully. It should be joined to the front of the rectangle. Now with the empty refill, we will make the valley fold and mountain folds. That will be a valley fold. The midline will be the valley fold. Don't draw on that. That will be the mountain fold. And that will be the valley fold. That's how it is going to look. But wait, let's draw something else. So we will take 3 centimeters below the line. And we will draw a heart about 5 centimeters in height. We will add on an extra 3 centimeters from the top of the heart. Remember, we took 3 centimeters below the line, the midline, so we add 3 centimeters above the line. We will cut. We are cutting that part. And we are cutting that part. Same as the extra bit added on. The heart we cut down. And now with an empty pen, we will make the valley fold, mountain fold, mountain fold, valley fold, and the valley fold. And then With a little push from the back, we make the valley folds and mountain folds. The valley fold, push the candle from the back, make the valley fold and the mountain folds. The lower part, valley fold and mountain fold. The midline will be the valley fold. That's the valley fold, and slowly fold the whole card down. Now we will put a backing to this. So we will take the backing sheet, put it behind, fold one side down, and we will put glue only on the vertical side. Imagine the back of the rectangle. You will align it with the central line and fold it down. Same thing, you will put the glue on the other side. Imagine the lower side of the rectangle. Press it, leave it to dry, and trim the edges. You may color the heart and the candle inside if you wish. Let's spread love and light in the world. I hope you enjoyed learning to make the pop-up card. For more videos, subscribe to Morris Fun to Learn. Thank you.